Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Jamaica's bauxite industry is just starting to recover, but it could be rocked again, this time by sanctions on Russian billionaires. Alumina plants such as Windalco in St. Catherine are owned by Russia-based UC Rusal. Now, that company faces tough new sanctions as part of increased pressure the U.S. has implemented on Russia and oligarchs linked to that country's President Vladimir Putin. The sanctions placed on Russian billionaire Oleg Deripaska and his metal empire UC Rusal bar the country from trading in the Western financial markets. The impact on Jamaica's bauxite sector could be devastating. Efforts to reach the mining minister for comments proved futile. UC Rusal once owned Alpart in St. Elizabeth, but sold it to China-based Gisco. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.33. The Canadian dollar is now selling for $98.63. The pound sterling costs $174.87, while the euro is going for $154.26. The price of oil rose today on easing fears of a trade war between the US and China. Oil for delivery in May rose $1.21 to $63.27 a barrel. That was a 2% gain for the fuel. Losses mainly in financial stocks today led the JSE index down more than 6,091 points, while the junior market index lost 17. Stocks posting gains included Berger Paints, Iron Rock Insurance, Mayberry Investments, Seprod, and VM Investments. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras, Elite Diagnostics, Grace Kennedy, Jetcon, Kingston Wharves, Palace Amusement, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.